This is the FrizzLife MD40 three-stage countertop water filter dispenser. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual, a cleaning brush, you just stick the pieces together like that, charger and cable, which is really nice because most things don't have the charger. This does. It's USB to USB-C, and of course here is the water filtration dispenser itself. Let me tell you a bit about it first, and then we'll go ahead and test it out. It has fast filtering, takes 20 seconds for 8 ounces. So if you want a 8-ounce glass of water, it's going to take about 20 seconds to dispense. It filters to 0.3 microns. Gets rid of PFOA, lead, fluoride, chlorine. It gets rid of PFOs, rust, copper, and arsenic. The filters in it, and there are 2, last 6 months. It holds 18 cups, or a bit over a gallon, and has a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. That's about 30 days worth of use before it needs a recharge. Let's take a closer look at it here. Move these out of the way for a second. Everything is sort of modular, okay? This is the filter and dispensing unit in the front, and the back is sort of just the rest of it. This, by the way, comes out. You just got to wiggle it here and it'll come out. There we go. And now you can easily clean that, and you see it has like a rubber ring on the bottom there, so that's all good. So you can easily take care of that. Put that back there. These are your filters. They are pre-installed. Pull that out. You just turn it. It comes out. Takes these type filters, 2 of them, and they last about 6 months under normal usage. Of course, that depends on how much you drink as well. And then we sort of get that back in there and turn, and it will lock into place. And there you go. Buttons over here will turn the unit on. Button here to dispense water. And of course the covers go back on. Okay, we're all set now. I have some water here. This holds a little over a gallon. There is a line on the back that'll show you how much you can put in, but this is going to be more than plenty for what we need to get started. They want you to flush it first. The way it works is there's 2 buttons here. You got to hold them for a couple seconds. It turns on, and now the top of the spout here, you hold that for 4 seconds. And you saw the stuff that came out, so there you go. So we're going to swap this out for another glass when it gets full, you know, too full, and then I'll keep swapping back and forth until we have flushed the filters. And now it's really easy. When you want water, put the glass there, tap that. That'll wake it up, tap again, and it dispenses. When you have enough, tap it again, and it stops. And the taste test. Good old water. Nothing wrong with it at all. So once again, this was the FrizzLife MD40 Countertop water filtration pitcher. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to the manufacturer's website where you can find the unit available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.